five of us saw the first rush. And the film finished, and I remember my father just walked right outside of the room, and he just walked outside. And my mom was in the room. It was just like it was Dimple. I remember it was a Dimple Preview Theatre. And my mother just caught hold of me, and her hands were shaking at that point of time. And she just held me, and I hugged her, and she broke down. And then I broke down. And actually, my father was crying in a corner because he didn't know how to express himself. Um, he, uh, he was he was literally crying in the corner like a baby. And I went up to him, and he was so choked he couldn't say what to me, because we were like pretty much like a single unit, like three of us, and he couldn't believe I had made this film. I mean, I don't think he saw the film. I don't think he absorbed it. He just couldn't believe that his son had made the film. And I remember holding my father and my mother, and it was like, I think we cried for an hour. And I think that's the only thing I remember of that screening, is we just hugged each other and cried. And now when I look back, I'm like, it was the right reaction, because even I couldn't believe I had made that film.
मामा, मैं ये 8 चिट्ठियां आपके पास छोड़ के जा रही हूँ। इसके हर जन्मदिन के लिए एक चिट्ठी। इनमें वो सारी बातें जो मैं अपनी बेटी को कहना चाहती हूँ।
There are definitely big loopholes in the film. There are some big problem areas. There are implausibilities. I mean, there's an 8-letter, which is ridiculous. I mean, what was she thinking when she wrote those letters? What were the first 4 letters? Goo goo, gee goo goo. What could the child understand in the first 4 years? I mean, or the first 5 years?
मेरी प्यारी अंजलि, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आज तुम 8 साल की हो गई हो।
But I don't think I knew better, and I was just so convinced with what I was writing, and I think that conviction is pure. That conviction is honest, and that conviction is with a whole lot of conviction. So that's why it totally worked, because I was so convinced at that time that I convinced you. Actually, if you look at it, there are many problems, but I had nothing to say. Yes, there was criticism, and I agree with that criticism. Yes, it is quite male chauvinist. Shabana Azmi called me once, I remember, and said, ये बड़ा अच्छा है, जब उसके छोटे बाल थे तो he didn't like her, उसके बड़े बाल हो गए, वो pretty हो गई, then he fell in love with her. What do you have to say? I said sorry. I didn't know what else to say. That was the only thing I had to say, was I'm really sorry. The character of Rahul is really kind of a selfish character if you go by it. The way Shah Rukh has played it is genius. But on the wedding day, he actually plays the human card, not the hero card. He actually comes on the wedding night of this woman who is tortured for centuries, never told her what he thought of her feelings, oscillated between loving her or being her friend. And finally on the wedding night, when she's in all her finery and wearing 3 kilos of gold and 25 kilos of zardoz, he comes and tells her he loves her. I mean, that is a selfish thing to do.
See, I think all lovers are selfish. They only think about loving their loved and nothing else in the world. He does all the wrong things. He's married to a girl, doesn't recognize the love of the other one, when quite conveniently goes and marries the other one, and you know, lovers are like that. And she's getting married to someone, he lands up there also to spoil it, man. And you know, does you, me, and all this nonsense, which is, lovers are supposed to be irrational, unconventional, selfish, demanding love, and completely being, and that's why we like maybe even a Devdas. I always play them very self-centered. I always play them demanding. I always play them a bit wrong. And I think that's why they succeed. And Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, the character is completely like that.
We went in there with the idea to entertain you. And we went in there with the thought that, okay, whatever we make, we're going to believe in it, and we're going to shoot it very well, and we're going to make fantastic, we're going to make a fantastic film. And the way the script was written, as I keep coming back to the script, because I really think that the script is what made the film. I keep coming back to the script because, maybe now today, if you see the film and the way it's been shot and things like that, you could say that, oh, maybe we could have shot this differently and we could have shot that differently. But as far as the script is concerned, I don't think that we could have written the script very differently. The script was really, really good and tight.